The concept of financial analysis dates back to the late 19th century when banks began to require financial statements from borrowers. This marked the beginning of modern financial analysis techniques. In today's complex business environment, organizations lacking robust financial analysis skills often struggle to make informed decisions. They may face challenges in interpreting financial data, struggle with evaluating investment opportunities, or fail to identify potential financial risks. This can result in missed growth opportunities, poor resource allocation, and decreased overall financial performance. At the individual level, professionals may find it difficult to translate financial data into actionable insights, struggle with applying appropriate analytical techniques, or face challenges in communicating financial analysis results to non-financial stakeholders. This can lead to suboptimal decision-making and reduced influence in strategic planning processes. This comprehensive course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in financial analysis and decision-making. It equips participants with the tools to analyze financial data effectively, evaluate business performance, and make sound financial decisions. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, and valuation techniques. They'll learn to apply advanced analytical tools, interpret financial trends, and use financial modeling to support decision-making processes. The impact on organizations can be transformative. With professionals skilled in financial analysis and decision-making, companies can expect improved financial performance, better risk management, and enhanced ability to identify and capitalize on business opportunities. This leads to more informed strategic planning, improved resource allocation, and increased shareholder value. At the personal level, participants will become more confident and influential in their roles. They'll be able to provide valuable financial insights, contribute meaningfully to strategic discussions, and drive data-driven decision-making across their organizations. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities and increased recognition as financial leaders. Don't let poor financial analysis skills hinder your organization's decision-making processes. Empower yourself and your team with the skills to excel in financial analysis and decision-making. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards becoming a more strategic and impactful business professional.